Dragon screed. The first piece of equipment we're going to show you today is this strange attachment that works in combination with small machines. For example, in this case, Dragon screed is attached to a Caterpillar 289C track loader. This equipment can be very useful at the construction site, as it works basically as a large trowel to level the surface. According to the manufacturer, it's the only machine on the market that works equally well with both concrete and soil. The use of Dragon screed on site allows you to work faster than when using traditional equipment. Surprisingly, when it comes to working with concrete as well, the device performs three functions at once: leveling the layer, leveling the surface, and compacting the surface through vibration, all at the loader's travel speed. This means that all you have to do is pour the concrete in the right place. The rest is the Dragon screed's job. If you have to work in confined spaces, the manufacturer offers an attachment that can be placed on the front of the loader instead of on the side. The working width of the attachment changes too. It can be 6.7 meters wide or 2.4 meters wide, ideal for road construction and construction sites. Transmobile TM. Today, more and more manufacturers are specializing in machines designed to aid builders in their work. For example, this is Transmobile, a product by the German company Probst. It is a compact but powerful device designed to lift heavy objects such as concrete slabs, blocks, and beams. This machine is very easy to operate too. After pressing a button, the special unit creates a vacuum so powerful that it lifts the slab. The builder then moves the working hose, placing the lifted object in the right place. When the button is pressed again, the vacuum stops and the slab is set. This machine is capable of lifting weights up to 150 kilograms. Therefore, you almost don't have to make any effort. Stair SBV 80H2B. Vibratory plate compactors are a popular technology used worldwide on construction sites. Their purpose is to compact soil, sand, crushed stone, gravel, and other similar materials. They're also capable of compacting asphalt or slabs in the laying process. Vibratory compactors can be mounted or handheld. Machines of the first type are mounted on tractors or other similar equipment. This is the type of product you see on the screen right now. It should be noted that they're more powerful and therefore more efficient. The SBV 80H2B model was developed by specialists from the German company Steyr Baumaschinen. The equipment is used for reparations, roadwork, or landscaping. You're probably wondering why it's impossible to compact the material with a regular roller. The fact is that when the work is done with the help of a roller, the material moves over the surface, and in some cases even gets out of the working area. When this happens, you have to start the procedure again, which ultimately results in lost time and money. The vibratory plate compactor levels and tamps the surface simultaneously. It significantly reduces the number of times the machine has to run over the surface to get the required compaction. Another special feature of the Steyr SBV 80H2 is its respect for the environment. The equipment consumes 50% less fuel than other compactors, reducing the amount of harmful emissions into the atmosphere. Powerplan PP. And here we have other machines created by the specialists of a company that we have already mentioned today. This time it's Probst's PowerPlan PP, a machine designed specifically for leveling certain surfaces. The fact is that the use of standard pavers to work with such complex materials as sand and crushed stone is not recommended. These machines are often expensive and abrasive materials wear them out very quickly. For this reason, specialized equipment has been developed to create layers of sand and gravel. PowerPlan PP performs both transport and leveling of the material at the same time. Their surfaces are highly scratch and abrasion resistant. This compact machine not only speeds up work efficiently, but also allows you to save on maintenance. Steyr SKF 950. If you've ever wondered how manholes appear on the road, we'll now answer your question. Because here we have a milling machine designed specifically for cutting manholes. It's an unrivaled attachment that greatly improves productivity. First, the site is marked, after which the equipment starts working. It cuts a hole in the asphalt that perfectly meets all standards. The only thing left to do afterwards is installing the manhole and sealing the joints. This machine can also be used for repairs too. In a single operation, the milling machine cuts both the asphalt and the old manhole, making it easy to install a new one. By the way, the advantage of using this equipment also lies in the fact that the milling machine allows optimum compaction around the edge of the manhole. The Steyr SKF 950 is an accessory that works in combination with skid steer loaders. It weighs 800 kilograms and has a maximum milling depth of 300 millimeters. Cutting a manhole takes 3 to 10 minutes, depending on the composition of the road's surface. The milling machines are designed for 100 cycles, more or less. After that, they can be quickly replaced thanks to their cheap price. Sheep's foot roller. Today we've already shown you special machinery used for compacting soil and other building materials. We're talking about rollers. For example, what you see on the screen is a sheep's foot roller. As you probably noticed, the surface of the cylinder is not smooth. On the contrary, it's covered with small bumps that resemble spines. The most common use of this type of equipment is when you have to work with cohesive soil such as clay. Due to the fact that contact with the soil occurs in a small area, a higher specific pressure is provided. During the first stages of work, the spines sink into the soil. However, every time it passes over the material, the density of the layer increases and the spines sink less and less. Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.